Hi everyone! In this video I'm showing you how to make these flower earrings. This is Manori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For making this flower, I'm using a super fine yarn and a hook with the size of 1.5 mm. I'm starting with 9 chains. In the first chain, I'm making 1 slip stitch, 1 chain, and all around this ring I'm making 20 single crochet. And I'm closing up with 1 slip stitch. Now I'm making 5 chains, skipping 3 stitches, and in the fourth one I'm making 1 slip stitch. 5 chains, skipping 3 stitches, and in the fourth one 1 slip stitch. 5 chains, one slip stitch. 5 chains, one slip stitch. 5 chains, one slip stitch. 5 times for 5 petals. Around this string, I'm making 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 6 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, and 1 slip stitch. And the next strings would be the same until we have 5 petals. Turning the work over, I'm taking this loop, making 1 slip stitch, 7 chains, taking this loop, 1 slip stitch, 7 chains, one slip stitch, and I'm doing this 5 times. And one final slip stitch to close up this row. Now around this string, I'm making one single crochet, one half double crochet, 8 double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet, and one slip stitch. And I'm doing this for the other petals. Turning the work over, taking this loop, one slip stitch, making 9 chains, one slip stitch, nine chains, one slip stitch, and I'm doing this 5 times. And once again, around each string, I'm making one single crochet, one half double crochet, 10 double crochet, one half double crochet, one single crochet, and one slip stitch. And we have a 3-layered flower. If you like this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.